Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the roaring sound of a V8, the sleek silhouette slicing through the wind, and a legacy that refuses to back down. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang, a car that continues to push the limits of American muscle while embracing the future. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone looking for the perfect combination of power and modern technology, this next-generation pony car is something special. Introduction: the Ford Mustang has been an icon since its debut in 1964, representing raw performance, aggressive styling, and an undeniable road presence. With each new generation, Ford has kept the Mustang's spirit alive while adapting to new automotive trends. Now, in 2025, the Mustang returns with improved performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that stays true to its roots. But is it still the Mustang we know and love? Let's break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Ford Mustang, from its design and performance to its technology and driving experience. Design. Exterior: one glance at the 2025 Mustang, and you'll see that Ford has refined its aggressive yet aerodynamic styling. The signature Mustang grille remains, now with a sharper, more futuristic design. The LED headlights have been reshaped to give the car an even more menacing look, while the sculpted hood features functional vents that enhance performance and cooling. Moving along the sides, the Mustang retains its signature fastback shape, but the body lines are more pronounced, giving it a muscular stance. Ford has introduced new wheel designs, ranging from 18-inch alloys on the base model to 20-inch forged wheels on the high-performance trims. The wider stance improves stability and gives the Mustang a bold road presence. At the rear, the iconic tri-bar LED taillights remain, but they have been slightly redesigned for a more modern look. The quad exhaust tips on performance models hint at the power lurking under the hood, and an available active rear spoiler helps with aerodynamics at high speeds. Performance engine options: of course, the heart of the Mustang is its powertrain, and Ford has made sure enthusiasts have plenty of choices. The 2025 Mustang lineup offers multiple engine options to suit different driving styles. The base model starts with the improved 2.3 liters EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder, now pushing out around 330 horsepower and 350 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine provides a great balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those who want a daily driver with Mustang DNA. For those craving classic V8 power, the 5.0 liters Coyote V8 returns, delivering an estimated 480 horsepower and 418 pounds-to-feet of torque. With Ford's latest tuning and performance upgrades, this naturally aspirated beast provides an exhilarating experience, whether on the street or the track. And then, there's the bigger near, the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse. This high-performance variant comes with an upgraded version of the Coyote V8, producing around 500 horsepower with track-focused suspension, a trim X6-speed manual transmission option, and an aggressive exhaust note. The Dark Horse is built for pure driving excitement. For the first time in Mustang history, Ford has hinted at an electrified option or hybrid Mustang. While details are still scarce, rumors suggest a V8 paired with an electric motor, boosting both power and efficiency. If this turns out to be true, it could revolutionize the muscle car segment. Transmission. Driving dynamics: Ford continues to offer both manual and automatic transmission options. Enthusiasts will love the 6-speed manual with rev matching, providing full control over the Mustang's raw power. Meanwhile, the 10-speed automatic has been refined for faster shifts and improved fuel efficiency. The 2025 Mustang benefits from a new suspension setup, enhancing handling without sacrificing ride comfort. The Magni Ride adaptive suspension, available on higher trims, automatically adjusts to road conditions, making the car sharper in corners and smoother on rough surfaces. Ford has also improved the steering response, making the Mustang more precise and engaging to drive. Whether you're attacking a twisty back road or cruising on the highway, this Mustang feels planted and confident. Interior technology. Step inside the 2025 Mustang, and you'll find a cabin that blends modern technology with classic Mustang heritage. The biggest change is the fully digital cockpit, featuring a 12.4-inch customizable instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 software. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa integration, and over-the-air updates. The interior materials have been upgraded, with premium soft-touch surfaces, leather-trimmed options, and customizable ambient lighting. The available Recaro Sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for daily commutes. One of the standout features is the new drift brake, available on the Dark Horse model. This electronic handbrake isn't just for parking, it's designed for controlled drifts, making it a must-have for track enthusiasts. Another exciting addition is the Mustang's performance mode, which allows drivers to customize throttle response, steering feel, and suspension settings to match their driving style. The digital cluster even includes a track-focused display for those who take their Mustang to the circuit. Safety driver assistance. Despite being a high-performance vehicle, the 2025 Mustang doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with Ford's Co-Pilot360 suite, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. For those who love taking their Mustang to the track, Ford has also included a track-focused telemetry system that provides real-time performance data, lap times, and tire pressure monitoring. Exhaust note sound system. A Mustang wouldn't be a Mustang without an aggressive exhaust note. Ford has fine-tuned the active exhaust system, allowing drivers to choose between quiet, normal, sport, and track modes. Whether you want to keep things subtle in your neighborhood or let the V8 roar on an open road, the 2025 Mustang gives you full control over its sound. For those who love music as much as engine notes, the available BO sound system delivers an immersive audio experience with crystal clear highs and deep bass. Customization special editions. Ford knows that Mustang buyers love to personalize their cars, and the 2025 model comes with plenty of customization options. From unique paint colors and racing stripes to performance add-ons and interior upgrades, you can make your Mustang truly your own. Special editions are also expected, including a potential GT 500 model with even more horsepower, an improved aero package, and track-ready performance. Ford might also bring back classic nameplates like the Mach 1, paying tribute to Mustang's rich history. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford Mustang stays true to its heritage while embracing modern technology and performance enhancements. It remains a driver's car, whether you choose the turbocharged EcoBoost, the naturally aspirated V8, or an upcoming hybrid option. With improved handling, advanced tech, and aggressive styling, the new Mustang proves that muscle cars are far from dead. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or someone looking to experience the thrill of American muscle, the 2025 Mustang has something for everyone. So, what do you think? Is this the best Mustang yet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like.